Welcome to Pantai Muaya Jimbaran, guys. The beach, which is very local vibe, but is close enough to the Kuta overall in any kind of hotels and the tourist attractions. However, even it's very close, it's very local vibe here. They're only mostly popular for local people, also expats who are living around in Bali and looking for having a beachfront vibe, but like without the less of a tourists around. And also the people who are looking for having a seafood in Bali. So, well, we've been here already for many times, but I'm gonna show you a little bit one more time. It's been like 2 months when I was here last time.
Okay, so Pantai Muaya Jimbaran, as you know, we see that on the beach is actually family friendly. It's just like similar vibe like in Sanur, as you see like people chilling here with their family, swimming by the ocean. And then as we see that the wave that is not that so high and strong like in Kuta. So maybe because of this that people tend to go to Jimbaran. Besides they want to have a seafood dinner with their families, they also enjoying the beach with their family. So it's nice. It's just like the Sanur vibe with the sunset view.
And also for some reasons the beach in Jimbaran, the Pantai Muaya, didn't become as busy, as popular through the tourists from all around the world, like Kuta Beach for instance, or Seminyak 66, or even in Canggu. It's still very, very cozy vibe over here. So, well, yeah, I don't know why it's like that, but it's like that actually, yeah.
Yeah, the vibe here is that people come here just enjoying the beautiful sunset, dinner, seafood dinner, and then with the family, not serving vibe. So
not
there are no people,
yeah.
And also there are no drunk people here. That's the thing.
Exactly, and I see also many romantic, it's a great place for the romantic walk and peaceful talk. And the good thing is here, as nobody will come to you and try to sell you something like on the very busy, crowded tourist beaches, for instance, right?
Nobody will come approach you and offer you the massage, or maybe nails, or maybe something like hair braiding. Nobody offer you like that. So just simply enjoy the beach with the family, having a beautiful, nice dinner. So yeah. And one thing the different of the Jimbaran, if you compare with other beaches in Kuta, Legian, Seminyak area, about the beach bars. Like behind me, as you see this one also one of the beach bars, the music is not as loud as what it is in Seminyak, Kuta, Legian. So it's very enjoyable beach.
But also as this beach is very cozy, doesn't mean as there is no tourists. There are some tourists also coming around, and just behind us is the Four Seasons Jimbaran, very actually luxury hotel in Bali, right? So, but well, this beach is simply not as popular like Kuta, right?
Yeah, just so like we explained before, people coming here just find a more peaceful area, like one thing that I noticed about the Four Seasons hotels, because in Bali there are two, one in Ubud and one in Jimbaran. So it means like those kind of areas is, place to enjoy. It is Bali.
Yeah, they always building the hotels in the in the remote, cozy, but at the same time beautiful area. The same was actually in Langkawi when I was in Malaysia. The kids playing the football on the beach. That's also very nice and very rare actually nowadays. But still in Bali like that, I nearly got scared. As there will be beautiful sunset, by the way, but when I'm looking at these kids playing football over here, I'm a little bit jealous actually. I know I'm living in Bali and everything, but when I was their age, I was playing like on the field where the when the cows and everything, like on the village, like when my grandma lived or something like that. Also beautiful memories. However, not like playing on the beach, you know what I mean? It's just somewhere next to the forest, stuff like this. So it's actually very beautiful over here. Overall, as you can see right here, right now, very peaceful and cozy vibe in Bali. You don't need to travel actually far. There is the airport over there and you can see the towers. So it's like maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes and you can be here. Even if coming from Sanur or coming from Kuta, if there is no traffic jam obviously, right? But a very cozy vibe.
for the beautiful sunset in Bali. So I think this is the right time to come to Bali. And I think that every afternoon, yeah, Hania, every day
I think
will
so,
be
yeah.
beautiful sunset. Okay guys, I think that's all our video today from Pantai Muaya Jimbaran. And seems like, you know, people are coming more and more because of, you know, they will have a beautiful dinner there, seafood dinner. So yeah, I think that's all our video today. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!